Most people don't just quit worship teams. It kind of starts slowly. I remember a time when I almost hung it up, but it wasn't because I didn't love music. It wasn't because I didn't want to believe anymore. It was just, I was tired. Tired of rehearsals that felt rushed, tired of Sundays that felt like a job, and tired of moments where I felt like my effort was honestly meaningless. But I found out that I was looking in the wrong places. And if you've ever served on a worship team long enough, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. That's where this phrase all came from. Keep praying, keep playing. It's not hype, it's not branding, it's not just something I've been saying just to say. It's not even a slogan, it's a mantra, it's a lifestyle. At some point, every worship volunteer musician hits a wall. You start asking questions like, does this really matter? Is my effort worth it? Am I just filling space or space on a stage or a check in the box? And here's the big one. We start asking the questions of, would anyone even notice if I just stepped back, or would anyone even care? And here's the uncomfortable truth. A lot of musicians, they don't quit loudly. They quit quietly and slowly. They still show up, but their heart isn't in it. They stop practicing, they stop praying, and they start just going through the motions. And eventually what once felt like a calling turns into an obligation or a job. And that's the danger zone. So here's the thing that I think most people miss about what a mantra really is. It's not a slogan. It's not something that you just throw on a hat or a t-shirt. It doesn't always just have to accompany a brand. A mantra is a repeatable truth that usually shapes how you live. And here's this. Especially when no one's watching. It's what we always come back to when seasons get hard, when motivation fades, and when our discipline has to outlast our emotions. And that's exactly what keep praying, keep playing became for me, a mantra. Let's talk about prayer first, because a life without prayer is just disconnected, especially in what we do. When I'm not praying as much, I think of words like I feel dry, numb, I feel dead inside. And I mean real prayer, not just like say a few words before rehearsal kind of prayer. I mean the kind of prayer that realigns us when our ego wants to creep in. The kind of prayer that seeks humility when our sense of recognition wants to kind of creep in as well. The kind that reminded us why we started this all in the very first place. That kind of prayer. I know you all know this, but prayer shouldn't be like our last resort. I know for sometimes I treat it like that. It should be the source, the thing that actually keeps us going and holds us all together. When prayer doesn't start first for me, the spirit of frustration, comparison, and needing to perform and be excellent gets that place first before the Lord. When prayer does go first, frustration doesn't lead, it doesn't start it off. Comparison quiets down, and performance stops being the point. When prayer goes first, the question after serving is not so much how did I sound today? The first question I should ask is, did I worship today? Prayer doesn't replace effort. It actually fuels it. Keep playing doesn't mean grinding or seeking validation. It means honoring the gift that we've actually been given. Your hands still matter, your preparation still matters, and your consistency still matters also. Our playing or our work doesn't stop showing up just because it's hard or unseen or imperfect. Faith doesn't excuse laziness. It gives purpose to our disciplines that we instill in ourselves as EGs. We practice not to be impressive, but to be dependable and to be used as a vessel and give our gifts as an offering. Here's the tension most musicians live in. Prayer without action stalls. Action without prayer burns out. You've probably even seen both. The spiritually passionate musician who never prepares, the insanely talented player who's completely empty. And guess what? Neither lasts. Keep praying, keep playing. It's got to be together. And this is where I need to be crystal clear. The EG is not just a brand. It's you, it's me, it's everyone that does what we get to do. It's not a brand, it's not a logo, it's not content on YouTube or some preset pack. It's truly a lifestyle. It's built on our consistency and dependability, but it's mostly built on our faith. It's built on showing up week after week, whether the room is full of thousands or full of 10. The EG is choosing discipline over hype, depth over noise, and calling over convenience, all long before any camera is on and well after any song fades. So if you're ever tired, if you're ever discouraged, if you're ever having questions of why I'm doing what I'm doing, and does it really even still matter, this is your reminder. What you do does matter, and it probably matters more than you actually think. So don't drift off, don't disappear, and don't quit quietly. And if you're thinking you probably will never have these feelings, you probably will. They just haven't happened yet. And that's okay. Keep praying when no one's watching. Keep playing even when it feels small. It's not just on Sundays. It's not just on a platform or for the stage. It's in how we live. Keep praying, keep playing. Love y'all.